हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स पीरियड। आई एम किरण मैम। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद एक्सरसाइज 8.2, chapter number 8, comparing quantities, NCERT standard 8. But before starting the exercise, let us go through the topics which we are going to cover under this exercise. The topics are: number 1, finding increase or decrease percent. Number 2, finding discounts. Number 3, estimation of percentage. Number 4, finding cost price, selling price, profit percent, loss percent. Number 5, sales tax, VAT and GST. Number 1, finding increase and decrease percentage. Let us take an example. A shopkeeper changes the price of a shirt from rupees 150 to 200. So there is a change in the price of the shirt. That is increase in the price of the shirt. So how to convert it into percentage? This change means increase was on rupees 150. That is original value of the shirt. So increase percent is increase upon original value into 100. Here in case of shirt the increase was rupees 50 and the original means initial value, that was 150. Similarly, decrease percent is decrease upon original value, that is initial value into 100. Increase or decrease is always calculated on original value. Number 2, finding discounts. You must have seen hoardings, banners or advertisements of sale or discount. These sales and discounts are offered to attract the customers and to promote the sale of the articles. So how to calculate discount and then discount percent? So what is discount? Discount is mark price minus sale price, and discount percent is discount upon marked price into 100. Discount is always calculated on marked price. Next, number 3, estimation of percentage. It is not always we need paper and pen to find the percentage of some number or some amount. Sometimes we have to estimate the percentage of some number or amount. For example, on the purchase of an article, your bill is amounted to rupees 496.50 and the shopkeeper gave you a discount of 12%. So how would you estimate the amount to be paid? Here the cost of the article is equal to rupees 496.50 we can estimate it to rupees 500 because this number is very near to 500. Next, 12% discount means first we'll find 10% of 500, that is 50 rupees. Then 2% of 500, that is 1/5 of 10%, that is 1/5 of 50 rupees, that is 10 rupees. So total discount is rupees 50 plus rupee 10, that is rupees 60. Therefore, amount to be paid is 500 minus 60, that is rupees 440 approximately. Number 4, finding CP, SP, profit percent, loss percent. What is CP? Price at which an article is purchased or bought. Next, SP, the price at which the article is sold. Next, overhead charges, extra money paid in the form of repair, transportation, tax, rent, etc. is called overhead charges. Overhead charges are always added to CP. So we get net CP as CP plus overhead charges, if any. Next is how to decide whether there is a loss or profit in the transaction. So whenever selling price is greater than the cost price of the article, there is a profit. So profit can be calculated by subtracting cost price from the selling price. At the same time, if selling price is less than the cost price of the article, then there is a loss in the transaction, and loss can be calculated by subtracting selling price from the cost price. Then how to find profit percent? The formula is profit upon CP into 100, and formula for loss percent is loss upon CP into 100. We use net CP in place of CP if overhead charges are included. Profit and loss are always calculated on CP. Next, number 5, different types of taxes. For example, sales tax, VAT, GST, etc. Have you ever thought from where does government get money to make hospitals, railways, buildings, etc.? Government get money from us only in the form of various taxes. For example, sales tax is charged by the government on the sale of goods. It is collected by the shopkeepers from the customers and given to the government. Sales tax is always calculated on selling price of the article. These days, another type of taxes are also there. For example, GST, VAT, etc. These are charged on goods as well as services.